I'm going live just a little tiny bit early just because the geese are sitting here right now and they might be gone by the time it's the official time for sunrise or sunset. I'm saying sunrise. So I thought maybe it would be better if we went ahead and took a look at them floating by this morning. I doubt there's going to be an actual sunrise this morning anyways, since it's a very heavy cloud bank. But the geese floating by are pretty cool too. Dash is watching them, and I guess he's been watching them long enough that they don't mind that he's there. So I think sunrise is supposed to be at 5:49, which is like another minute. So we'll wait a minute, but I just thought it'd be kind of cool just to watch the geese float by. And I figure by the time after that time they'd be gone. So I got a confession to make, and that I am exhausted this morning. And so there's my honesty. There's the beginning of my my chat about honesty. Is that I'm really tired. So I have no idea exactly how well today's chat's going to go because I'm tired, and I might ramble and go a little weird all over the place. But I did want to tell you a little bit about a time that I had to be honest. I'm going to go ahead and move towards where the sunrise is supposed to be anyways. We'll see what pops over the horizon. I have a feeling there's not going to be one, but we'll give it a try. But, I ride horses, and throughout my time of riding horses, I've helped a lot of people through the years where, they're having a hard time either because, their horse is not paving, or they've got some fear issues, or, they just are doing their first trail ride, or the first time in a ring, or out of a ring, or at a show. And I've always really enjoyed helping them, being the person who helps. And then suddenly one day, the tides turned. Isn't that ironic? But and I had to be the one to be helped. I had a few years ago an accident on my horse that really just rocked every bit of confidence that I had, and it wasn't that I really got hurt. It was just all the what ifs. It was I've come off my horse before many times, but this time got in my head, and it was what if I had really gotten hurt? What if I had gotten hurt and seriously? And what responsibilities of mine would have fallen on my family? And those what ifs got in my head pretty good, enough where I got really, really scared. Enough where when I got on my horse, I cried. Enough when I thought about getting on my horse, I felt sick to my stomach. And honestly, this went on for a few years. And it wasn't until recently when I really became honest with myself and honest with everyone around me how scared I was that things started to get better. And it was because I reached out for help. And I said, hey, you know what? I'm really scared and I need your help. And I may not do very well today, but I need you to be here for me. And being honest and asking for help, and opened up all kinds of doors. I mean, all of a sudden, I'm starting to feel a little bit better now. And I'm starting to enjoy riding again. And that's a nice feeling. But it's hard to ask for help, like really hard. It's hard to be the person who needs help. It's much easier to give help. That's rewarding, it feels good. But to be the person who needs help, man, that's tough. And so, but I'm glad I did. I'm really glad I did. I think, it's a gift to ask for help as well as to give it. Because you're allowing people to come into your life and offer their help. And let them be that person. So I guess I've learned a few things on there. You talk about humble pie. Man, horses can give you dish after dish after dish of humble pie. And in this case it did. So since there's no sunrise, I take a look at Dash over there taking his nap and watching the water go in. He seems quite happy. The life of Dash. If only we could all have his life. So hope you guys have a great day. Sorry if this was a bit rambly, but this is where I was going with it. Just a little tired, and some days are better than others. So, I hope you guys have a great day. This is super early. I may have to start moving doing the sunrises maybe every other week, just during the summer, so that we're not getting up so early. but or maybe on the days that we know there's going to be a good sunrise. And there's geese going by. All right, you guys have a great day, a great week. I'll probably see you next week. We'll see if there's going to be a sunrise or not. And ask for help. Be honest with people. And we all trying to put this little facade on, especially on Facebook. Everybody's trying to say how great they are, but sometimes days just aren't great. And sometimes it's nice to just tell people. It makes all your friends feel better when they know you're not doing so great either. So. And then it does become great. That's the crazy thing. So, anyways, have a great week. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you soon.